Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use dual apps on any iPhone. Now, there are two methods to use dual apps on any iPhone. Now, for the first method, just open the App Store. Now, in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Then tap on Open. Now, just tap on Continue and select Allow. Now, from this list, just select your language, then tap on Done. Now just tap on the arrow icon and tap on the X icon. Now to create dual apps, just tap on the plus icon over here, then select the app which you want to create a clone of from this list. Then tap on Submit. Now as you can see, we have successfully created a clone of this app on our iPhone. Now by using this app, you can only create one clone of an app for free. But if you want to create dual apps for more than one app, you will have to pay the monthly subscription of this app. Now for the second method to create dual apps on your iPhone, just open the Safari app. Then in the search bar, just search the name of the app which you want to create a clone of. For an example, I will type Instagram. Now on this page, just tap on the three dots over here, then select Share. Now from here, you will find the option of Add to Home Screen. Just tap on it. Now from here, you can change the name of the app which you are cloning. For example, I will name it Instagram 2. Now once you create a name, just tap on Add. Now as you can see, we have successfully created a clone of the Instagram app. But remember that this method does not work on all the apps on your iPhone. It only works with a few apps, such as Instagram and Facebook. And this is how you can use dual apps on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.